James, okay ka lang?
Akin na, Carmelo.
Kilala mo ako?
Classmate tayo sa English class. From 103 kay Miss Rason.
Ah, no wonder you look familiar.
Tingnan mo nga naman. What a coincidence. Since mukha namang okay na siya, Rino, I think you better take me home now. Don't you think so?